Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove background in DaVinci Resolve Mask Background Easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, we need to go ahead and add first the clip that we want to go ahead and remove the background. So for example, onto this video in here, we're going to go ahead and take out the leaf and remove the background. So we're going to go ahead and add this onto our timeline first. Let's drag it in here and let's place it here onto the first part. Right after, we'll have to click onto this icon in here and it should go ahead and open something like this. Now to start masking, we're going to click onto this icon in here. So simply click onto that, and right after, we're going to go ahead and click on curve. So this will allow us to go ahead and trace our material in here. So you could go ahead and zoom by clicking control and then just zoom in onto the photo in here so that you could go ahead and try to trace this properly. So we're going to go ahead and add in some points in here just like that. So continue clicking onto each point so you could be very precise on this so that you could achieve the perfect cutout of your photo in here for your masking. So let's try to finish this first. So we're just gonna make this one very fast. So onto your end, you could go ahead and make it perfect so that you could achieve the masking that you want to see onto removing the background onto your photo. So we're just gonna remove this one out and leave just this one. And then right after, once you're done, click onto this icon in here. This is for tracking, and then you could go ahead and play that one. So we'll just have to wait for this one to load first. Now, as you can see onto that clip, it gone ahead and traced the leaf that we have in here. Right after, we need to head here onto the right panel. So we need to right click here and click on add alpha output. Right after, if you see this blue line, we're going to go ahead and hold this and then drag this onto the other blue, just like that, to go ahead and perform the masking. As you can see, the background has been removed. And if you do a quick preview, this is how the video should now look like. So it did a masking already in there. And that is just how easy you could go ahead and remove a background in DaVinci Resolve. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.